Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. Today we are going to discuss about new topic, aggression in sports, meaning, concept and types of aggression in sports. First we should know what is aggression. गुस्सा, aggression की है, ठीक है? Aggression means गुस्सा. क्यों आता है गुस्सा? Why people suffer from this kind of problem like aggression? There can be many reasons. ठीक है जी? So the first thing is कि we should know what is aggression. So in your book in psychology, the term aggression refers to range of behaviors that can result to in both physical and psychological harm to oneself, other or objects in the environment. Means it's a range of a behavior of a person which can harm yourself, the person himself and others and other things in the environment. Means कि अपने आप को नुकसान कर रहा है, ब्लड प्रेशर वध रहा है, हार्ट रेट वध रहा है, अपने आप को नुकसान कर रहा है, इट कैन लीड टू एनीथिंग, दूजे का नुकसान कर रहा है, द पर्सन इज हिटिंग समवन एल्स विद इन एग्रेशन एंड चीज़ां तोड़ रहा है एंड ही इज गिविंग प्रॉब्लम टू सोसाइटी ऑल्सो एनवायरनमेंट, वो चीज़ां तोड़ रहा है, लोगों दी कारां बन रहे हैं. सो दीज आर एग्रेशन इज अ वेरी डेंजरस थिंग. ठीक है, एज यू यूथ आर हियर, if you'll consider about youth, if you'll talk about our this Punjabi culture, it was not like that. गानियां ने कितना खराब करता. You might have seen every song of Punjabi is full of aggression. Cut, wad, बंदूकां, ये वो. Kids society is like that, or a society should be like that. कि सारी कोर्ट कचहरियां तुरे फिरन गुस्से जाके. So there is no such reason why aggression comes in a person. Sometime कह देता है यार मेरे ना गलत होया, aggression हो गया, but small things people are getting agitated. ठीक है, I'll give you example of normal society. Like what I was watching TV कि there was one full 1 hour documentary on aggression. Different examples of society was given in it. Like what, there was one example कि the car was going in the market and one person, milkman was there. He got that with his milk, that big buckets and all that, जिन्हों आपां बलटोए भी कहते हैं पंजाबी च, उन्होंने ड्रम सीगे मिल्क वाले, वो भरे हुए सी. And what that person did, the car wala, he applied the brake in the middle of the road. दोधी को भार ज़्यादा सी, he was not able to control his motorcycle. ते वो मामूली जी बंपर ते स्क्रैच आ गई, मामूली जी. The car wala came outside, out of his car, he started shouting. What that milkman did, he also started shouting. ठीक है, otherwise it was a matter of only 400 or 500 rupees और scratch वैसे भी मिटाया जा सकता सी जे देखा जाए. जे बंपर भी टुट गया होंदा, it can leave, वो बंदा 500-700 रुपये ला के रिपेयर करा लेंदा. What that person did, उन्हें रॉड कड्डी, एक उस कोल पिया सी विच कुछ कार च, उन्हें जाके उस बंदे दे सिर ते मारती. The person died on spot. ते 20 लाख रुपये च केस निबड़िया, 20 लाख रुपये. की मिटा, what he has earned. So there are many examples कि road side दे विच लोग सड़क ते लड़ पैंदे आ, बड़ी चीज़ पार्किंग ते लड़ पैंदे आ. Ignore करो, try to ignore, शांतिपूर्वक life. The person should have peaceful life. जिथे ignore कर सकते हो, ignore this aggression. किसने मेरी हुण, I'll give you my personal example. कि आई वॉज ड्राइविंग माई कार कि मैं एक थां ते रोक ली. वन रिक्शा वाला जो ऑटो रिक्शा नवे आए इलैक्ट्रिक, वो बंदे नूं बिना वेखे उन्हें मोड़ते ते ही मतलब कि उन्हें मेरी कार की अगली बारी दे विच अपनी वो मारती ऑटो रिक्शा. तो मैं उतर के देखा तो वो डेंट पै गया. हुण तुसीं देखो कि इफ I have controlled that, I have got control on that situation. How I have got that control? कि I thought कि जे मैं बाहर जाऊँगा, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜੂੰਗਾ, मैं जो थप्पड़ मारूंगा, ये मेरे थप्पड़ मारूंगा, ये मेरे कपड़े पाड़ देवे, मैं ਇਹਦੇ कपड़े पाड़ दियाँ, तो मैं लोगों को शो विखा दियाँ कि लै भी मैं आ देखो जी आ मैं कपड़े पड़वा लिया अपने, तो इदू है कि कोई नहीं यार, हो गया जो हो गया, चलो नाशवान चीज़ है, ਇਹਦਾ लालच भी नहीं चाहिए। मैं डेंटर को गया, आई गॉट दैट थिंग रिमूव्ड, वो गरीब ने पे भी कितों करना सी, उन्हें 2-3 बारी सॉरी आखती, चलो सॉरी सर मेरे तो पता ही लगा मैं, बट सिचुएशन तुसी उन्हें कंट्रोल करो, गुस्सा ना करो फालतू, जिथे कंट्रोल कर सकते, ट्राई टू हैव कंट्रोल ऑन योर अग्रेशन। सो नाउ I'll give you example of sports. Sometime you might have seen कि players they fight inside the ground due to small things. You pushed me, ठीक है जी, वो बड़ा किसने लात लाई, वो बंदा डिग पे, they started a fight. You might remember the match between that a final match was there in World Cup between France and Brazil. It was between France, I don't, World Cup, what Zidane did, Zidane ne sir marya, the person was the opponent team member, he was provoking Zidane, he was abusing Zidane. It was a semi-final, what Zidane did, jehड़ा captaincy France da, उन्हें जो sir marya ਉਹਦੇ chest च, वो डिग पिया, a referee saw all the thing, तो he gave red card to Zidane. Means red card means he was sent out of that match also, and he was out for another match also. What was it? Was final match. And France lost. He was the key player, and France lost the World Cup. It was between, I don't remember the second team, but it is a true example. Sometimes you might have seen that bowlers, they keep on saying to the batsman after bowling, so that he should get provoked, his concentration should be disturbed, and he should get out. Once there was an incident that some Pakistani bowler, he went to Sachin Tendulkar after bowling, he started saying something to him. Saqlain Mushtaq was, I think, the bowler, I remember the name. Tendulkar went to him, he didn't say anything, but only one thing, यार मैंने तो कभी आपके बारे में कुछ बोला ही नहीं, आपको बोला है मैंने कभी कुछ? He felt ashamed. That bowler felt very ashamed. He wrote that thing in one of the articles, in our interview. He said कि I was very ashamed कि वाकई he didn't say anything to me, never. So Tendulkar was having such a temperament, he never used to get agitated, or he never used to get aggression so easily. Sometimes bowlers bowling after getting the person out, they show aggression. कि we have what we have done. We have taken one wicket. I have bowled that person out. ठीक है जी. So aggression is good, but it should be in a limited time, or it should be according to the situation. ठीक है. You should show aggression in the ground, but not that you should push anyone or you should hurt someone else. So the type of social interaction centers on harming another individual, either physical or mentally. As a matter of fact, most of the person view aggression as a negative psychological characteristic. However, some sports psychologists agree that aggression can enhance sports performance. In fact, aggression in the field of sports and games comes out of frustration, which arises due to goal blockage. It can be seen that aggression comes from number of sources, but first of all, it is more essential for us to understand that clear-cut meaning of aggression. The following definition and phases may help to know the exact meaning of aggression. Sometimes the psychologists say that aggression is good. You should have aggression, but in a limited manner. So for a limited period of time. Doesn't mean you should carry it to the grounds खत्म होगी. And some carry it outside के बाद मैं करूँगा. Some जब मैं गली खेल दें. The people fight with each other, students. ठीक है. So Aggression definition is given in your book. Aggression is a hostile, injurious or destructive behavior. ठीक है जी. Hostile means to harm others. It has a feeling to harm others. Hostile का मतलब है injurious, मतलब कि किसी को जख्मी करने वाला, or destructive to or outlook, especially when caused by frustration. Sometimes people are very frustrated with someone कि मैंने इन्हें नुकसान पहुँचाया, मैंने वह किया, they try to harm that person कि मैं कि किस तरह इहदा नुकसान पहुँचावां, उहदे सट मारा जो. You should not do like that. गुस्सा बहुत घट होना चाहिए. ठीक है जी. जब गुस्सा करोगे तो अगला भी शायद गुस्सा करे, थोड़ा ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुँचा दे. ठीक है. So next is aggression is of 3 types. It is written in your book. It is of 3 types. First is assertive. In this assertive means, first type of aggression means assertive, means there no effort is done to harm others. गुस्सा है पर किसी को नुकसान नहीं कर रहा. I am not the person is not going to harm anyone. ठीक है. All the powers of our body are used in the process. It is considered much in the games. The intention of victory is there, but no harm is to anyone. So assertive means there is no intention to harm anyone. Only victory is to be seen कि मैं किसी तरह मैच जीता. ठीक है. वो है कि माड़ी मोटी पुशिंग चल जाए, कोई फाउल गलत मंग लेंदे आ, but doesn't mean that he'll hit that person. Next is hostile. Hostile, I gave you meaning earlier also. I told you that hostile means it is a feeling to harm others intentionally. धक्का मार देना, सट मार देनी, तलंगड़ी उड़ा देनी. The person so वो तुसी मिल्खा सिंह दा देखे थे ना, मिल्खा में वो रात नूं the before the competition ਉਹਦੇ सट्टा मार जाते. So that he should not represent मतलब कि that competition. ठीक है. So in has feeling of aggression, harming other rather than victory in the feeling behind it. It is quite contrary to sportsperson spirit. Means it is not part of sportsmanship. Spirit का मतलब you should help others, you should not harm others. Instrumental, one tries to harm other in this, one tries to harm other but remain target to get victory. Wrestling, boxing, judo, these are combative games कि सट मार दे क्योंकि वो तो सट वजनी में instrumental we can means it is the part of that game. जब wrestling, जब boxing तो मारना ही मारना है, गुस्से ना मारना. The person shows his aggression intentionally also to hit that person so that he can win the match or win the bout. The example is given wrestling, boxing, judo. Okay? Then is aggression and performance. This type of behavior is must for best performance in game. Aggression is always there in games to show the superiority and domination of one team over other. This is must in games and some extent because it makes the play strict and perfect. But it should be in limit. It is written in your book that aggression should be in the limit. If this type of behavior crosses the limit, it can harm the sportsman spirit. The assertive aggression is in the game should be tackled. The aggression to harm the opponent player is against rules and regulation of the game. So these are the few things ki there should be strict rules. Now though if you say anything to any of the co-player, they can suspend you for 1 month also, 2 months also, even matches also. So the person should not show aggression in the ground. Methods of controlling aggression. These methods are following. Aggressive player should be punished. Means if देखो जी किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा किसी ने चलती गेम दे विच, he should be punished. He should be thrown out for that match or another matches, so that other people should come to know that there will be loss in my career. ठीक है. Coach who inspires the player for aggression should be penalized. Sometimes coach say that उन्हें नुकसान कर दो, धक्के मारो उन्हें, सट मारो उन्हें. that coach should be penalized also. He is provoking them for doing that. Teams who play without such time of aggressive behavior should be awarded an order. Said that fair play means the teams which are playing with full control, don't show aggression in the ground, don't hurt others, these teams should be awarded. The players should be told that aggression can be beneficial only up to some extent but can be harmful for long run. Aim should be victory but not harm others, it affects the game. The line says that coach or psychologist, they should guide his players, of team players, that aggression is good, but it should be inside the game and it should be to a certain extent. But if it crosses the limit, then it will be harmful. Psychological preventive measures should be taken in to prevent it. You should give them a counseling classes. There should be a counseling classes for these players, so that they should go for yoga classes, so that they should have control on their aggressions. Otherwise, it can lead to destructive behavior inside the society. Many players are there in boxing, also international players. They have lost their career due to this reason. People like Mike Tyson and all that, they were world-class players, world-class. But due to their aggression, they have lost their career. They have ruined their career, we can say. So you should have proper control on your aggression. Otherwise, situation will not be in your control. So this completes our chapter. So study well. Thank you very much.